In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play Sniper Arena on Roblox. It's going to be a full guide going over everything that you need to know. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to open up the game. You're going to see play all the way down here. Go ahead and click on play, and this is going to put you in a match that looks something like this. Now, you pretty much only use snipers here in this game, and I think this game actually just ended right now. So we'll go ahead and restart this one by hitting play again, and let's just go ahead and choose Nuketown again, because let's be honest, Nuketown is the best map, but it'll usually look something like this for you. You choose your map. Once you go ahead and choose that map, it's going to put you in, and you're going to spawn in with a sniper, and there's going to be different game modes, so every single one's going to work a little bit different. It looks like this one is capture the flag right here. You essentially just need to go through, aim, take people out, and capture the flag. Oh, we just got a triple kill. Oh, I thought we were about to get a quadruple right there. That would have been phenomenal. But the process really is as simple as this. Just go through, go to take out these guys whenever you have the ability to. Go ahead and capture the flag and follow the game out whenever, once again, you have the ability to. And that really is the entire process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.